Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and I'm just sitting here with my yeah, with my dog. With my dog. Here, show your face on camera. Here, show your face on camera. You saw her a bit. She has to show her face. She doesn't like to show her face. She doesn't want to show her face. Look, there's your face. There's your cute little face. Right there. It's cute. There it is. Yeah, that's the beautiful face right there. There it is. Right there. If you guys want to see more, subscribe and turn on notifications and like it if you like the video. And if you liked it, you should like it because you just saw this beautiful puppy. And there's my mom. And my dad is asleep right now. As you guys can tell, I do MMA in my other videos. It's called Bloodline MMA. I have my t-shirt right here. There. Yeah. And I lost about 6 teeth. These two up here. 2 bottom. And these 2. If you counted, that was 6, by the way. That was 6.
I never tried to do anything that you were like in purpose, but even I did something
So,
and I didn't mean it.
yeah.
I'm sorry for that.
My mom is watching. TV. And I'm just sitting here. I was just gonna make a video because I felt like it. And I'm just eating some Wendy's. And guys, New York Giants is here on Mondays. Oh yeah, and New York Giants is. I don't like the Jets. Don't say anything about me. I like the Giants. Don't say anything about me. I just like the Giants. And yeah, I'm gonna make some other cool videos also. And on one of them, one day we might go to the. Well, actually, a few days we're gonna go to the skate park, and I'm gonna ride my scooter. Wait, no, my mom or dad. He's asleep right now. My dad or mom, they will record me on my scooter when I'm playing. So, yeah, bye everyone. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like the video. And yeah.